Go. 8 names you're going to get it.
Tórquela a la mano.
Debería estar, no puede no estar. Traía. Aquí está. Look. There's your iPhone.
Battle of the sports. Recover bowling ball. Okay. Elimination time. It's time for the elimination.
Pero como no tiene internet.
Into balls you lost last time, so one of you is going to kick a steak.
Kick a
Receives 600 votes.
Pero si está en la casa,
Pull-ups
tiene que salir
ball.
porque hay internet en la casa. No,
You
no salía
saved 35 votes. And soccer ball. He saved 65 votes. Baseball, he saved into 200 votes. Table tennis, ping pong.
Oh.
He saved 23. He saved 25 and 75 votes each. And Pilates ball is safe with 100 votes again. That's not Pilates ball. Fitness ball is safe again with 100 votes again. And now it's down to bowling ball and basketball. Basketball. He saved with 0 votes again. And volleyball, you're eliminated with 100 votes. No, I want to go to Tiny Loser Chamber. The seventh contest is to not touch to black hole. The last team to get touched black hole who are up for elimination. Go. Yeah! Angel balls is safe. 2. Oh no, it's black hole. Marshmallow Balls is out for elimination. Those will be eliminated. Whoever gets the most votes will reach the show. Okay, I am bowling ball. I'll pick us out or what?